Hi, this is Stacy from Minnie Combs Family Farm Homestead, and today Lillian is going to be showing you how to freshen up the Play-Doh. Once your slime starts getting old, when your slime starts getting old and hard to play with, Lillian found a trick how to get it to be stretchy again. So you will put it in warm water, put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, then add lotion to it, and then you're done. Lillian will show you how.
Place it in warm water, and then put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Now put a little bit of lotion in it.
Yeah, some lotion right there too. Did you put enough lotion or do you need more?
I think it's good.
There, in case you need to dry your hands off or anything. Did it work?
Mm-hmm.
And now she's able to play with it and stretch it out again. I'm going to read 1 Peter 21. For you have been called for this purpose, since Christ also suffered for you, leaving you an example for you to follow in his steps. 22. Who committed no sin, nor was any deceit found in his mouth. God bless.